our 2 sliding glass door refrigerator. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 43 3/4 inches, a depth of 29 inches, and a height with caster wheels we have 80 inches tall. Measurements for the acrylic panel, we have 42.5 inches, 8 3/16. Left and right slide doors, with each that can stay in neutral if needed. Also included will be 8 adjustable shelves, 4 on the left and 4 on the right. Please note that these shelves are not assembled in this video, but they will be included. Each shelf will measure 19 1/4 inches in length by 21 inches in depth. Measurements apply for each of the 8 shelves that will be included. Interior dimensions of the refrigerator, we have 40 inches in length, 22 inches before the LED strip, and 24 3/4 inches after the LED strip. And the overall height, we have 52.5 inches tall. 52.5 inches applies from the floor to the top door frame. Located on the right and left column will be the LED strip that runs along from the top to the bottom. Instructions along with a pair of keys will be included for lockup whenever this refrigerator is not in use. Coming to the bottom will be the power and light switch along with the temperature controller. Located on the left column will be the ETL NSF certification along with the specification for this refrigerator. Last but not least, this refrigerator runs on 110/120 voltage. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.